Chicory witlof Dutch traditional. The way my mother made it. Not my grandmother, because in her time witlof didn't and #39 T exist yet. Brussel and #39 lof you make best in the oven. In fact, kids will dislike any other receipe based on cooking or raw chicory, but will love this. Ingredients: 2 to 3 pers, witlof, 4 to 5 pcs. Ham, jambon, slices, 100 g cheese, young, not creamy, slices, 150-200 g. Preparation: clean the witlof, remove outer leaves, cut them in halves, remove solid core, wash them briefly. Put the witlof in an 2-high-10 tall oven plate, glass, tied to each other. Let them face with the cut side up. Now first, put the jambon on top of it, so that you have one layer. Then the cheese, one layer. That and #39 it. The secret is that the juices of the meat, and some fat of the cheese, get into the witlof, and make it tasty and remove the bitterness. Cooking: put it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes at 160 to 170 degrees, electric oven, preheated. If oven is not preheated, this will be about 30 to 35 minutes. Done and #39 T. Cover the plate. The witlof is ready as soon as the cheese is fully melted, that is, with Dutch cheese, and the juice at the bottom of the plate just began boiling. Notes: tip: for parties, you can optionally cut one witlof in 4 pieces, wrap the jambon around 1/2 or 1/4 witlof. Cooled down, they are just as good as hot. Vegetarians, just leave out the jambon. Witlof with cheese in the oven is an excellent combination as well.